Hey guys, welcome to my apartment. I've had a lot going on in the past, I don't know, I'd say month. So I got out here, like, to be exact, I think it was April 11th. I wanted to just get the time that I had with you right now and show you a little bit of what it looks like in here. And it's not anything special. I'm actually pretty embarrassed, but I really don't care.
I don't care.
Not because I don't care about you guys, but I just don't want you guys to feel like I'm only gonna shoot things that are like perfect, because we all know like that's not the way. I don't want that, you know, that's not life. Fried rice right now because I'm starving. Life's not perfect. You know, I'm nowhere near where I want to be, and I'm hoping that in like maybe like 2 months, or not even 2 months, but a month from now, I can make a new video and it'll be fully furnished with plants and different furniture, maybe. I really wanted to kind of give you more of an idea of just like what's going on with me as opposed to an actual apartment tour. Oh my god, this is so bad. Sorry if this comes through like this, but as you can see, this lighting right here is one of the reasons I moved into this apartment. I wanted to be able to film literally just like sitting down right here and shoot you guys videos. So what you're seeing behind me is literally my living room and my kitchen. The apartment is like around 670 square feet. It's not that big, but it's really perfect for me because I'm alone and I don't need a lot of space. My TV, I need to get mounted, and there's like a panel on the wall that they're missing. I don't know, so I'm waiting to mount the TV. I've been trying to mount it for like the past 3 weeks. So that's why I don't have like a TV stand yet, and I will probably end up getting a TV stand once the TV's mounted. So that's gonna happen pretty soon. But it's been a really cool transition just to come out here and like get my own place. And a long time coming for me because I've needed this, you know, I've wanted this the whole time. And I came out here last year, unfortunately, with like a completely different idea of what I wanted, thinking, you know, I guess that I needed to just have a friend there, and that completely went south pretty fast for reasons that, you know, I'm not going to say out of respect to my former roommate, but at the end of the day, I got out of there. I have a toxic situation. Thankful for that. It was just like a situation that I really couldn't be in. So that's why I went back to New Jersey. That's why you guys kind of saw me there. I really didn't have much of a choice. I just kind of had to do that. It was during the holiday season, so like I was back and forth. You know, I didn't want to not be with my family for the holidays, so I stayed out there for a little while. I bunked up with my boy Justin, who you guys have seen in the skydiving video. If you haven't seen it, definitely watch. Of course, I miss all my friends, but at the end of the day, I'm happy to be out here because this is awesome. You know, I just love being able to be in new places. Like I've traveled my whole life, not really knowing what to expect. I feel like those are the situations that kind of change you as a person, mold you into a better person, and allow you to really like be your true self. And because you're not in your comfort zone, you're kind of doing your own thing by yourself, whatever it is, meeting new people and all that. At least in the last month, I've definitely met a lot of new people. But you know, I picked up a new job that you know, I've been working nights, so I'm not going to tell you guys what it is yet, but soon. I'm in bartending school right now, learning how to bartend. My mornings consist of that, as well as personal training, as well as some other things. So I know I mentioned that before. I'm really just focusing so much on like the future for me, so we'll see. I can't wait to really include you guys on that. Sooner or later, I promise, we'll talk about it. But I signed a 12-month lease. I've already been here for one, so I'll be here for the next 11 months. I know I haven't put up a lot of videos since I've been here. Like, there's things that have been happening that I didn't expect to happen, so I'm kind of just going with the flow. And I want to just start doing like talk times like this, I guess. I want to start eating with you guys, you know, cooking some food and eating while we talk, like mukbang stuff. I also want to do a Q&A because I want to see what you guys want to know. So I think that'll be my next video. So if you guys are interested in seeing a Q&A, let me know. But let's get into the real reasons why I wanted to move here, because I wanted to have my shoes all in a row like this. No, I'm just kidding. That's my view when I wake up. That's the downtown LA right there. Like, open my window. There's like a breeze that comes through this window right here. It's so nice. And then down there is my pool. There's a gym right
in there, and I wanted to be able to show you guys that, but I know that there's like something about filming down there that they don't allow, so I was gonna do that maybe at night. So I will definitely do a workout in that gym with you guys at some point, and I'll show you guys the gym. I've been doing fasted cardio in the morning and then working out at night and trying to just balance my schedule about that. That's like probably the one thing I've been doing every fucking day. I don't know, I've never lived in an apartment building with a gym in it, and if I have a gym right down there, I mean, I will be in there a lot. So it's like the one thing I've used the most. Another reason why I liked this building was because obviously, like, you know, I like the glass windows and stuff like that. So I wake up to this view, and it just, I did a video about what I'm surrounded by recently. It was back in like, it wasn't recently, it was back in like December or maybe January, where I was in Burbank, California, and there was just like mountains around, and it was just a nice street. I remember I got out and I filmed, but at that point, I had known that I wanted to like be in an area where it was very comfortable, where like, you know, what you're surrounded by is, you know, how you can dictate your feelings and your mood, and like, you know, waking up to a certain view every morning is like, you know, that for me, that's something that I want. So that is definitely a reason why I wanted to be in this apartment and in this building, not only because of the gym, but there's also a free coffee machine where I get Starbucks coffee. In LA, parking is so hard, so like if you want to be in the car and then run out and get like, it just sucks. So being able to like park, come upstairs, grab a cup of coffee, grab hot water, they have tea down there too, so I could do all of that. That's nice for me because, you know, it allows me to save time, and it also save money, I guess, you know. The sunrise is nice because like in the morning you could kind of like see everything in the clouds. Today's like kind of like a clear day, so I'm happy I was able to film this. But that's south, you know, like San Diego's all the way down there, Mexico. And then out there is the west side. So like that's where like all the beaches are, Venice, Santa Monica, Marina del Rey, Playa del Rey, Malibu. It's like way farther that way, but it's nice at night too. You get to see like the whole skyline, so just, you know, it's a mood thing for me. I love being able to kind of see the whole working class of LA kind of going at it every day. It inspires me. It's just something that plays a part in my everyday schedule and regimen, where, you know, it helps me with just feeling good about what I'm doing and making sure that the day is gonna, you know, be a good day and I get my stuff done. I mentioned to you that I really don't care that you guys are seeing my place kind of a mess, like I have laundry to do. But I was working this morning, training, and on my way home I was just thinking like, you know what? I've been so like having this like anxiety about filming this because I wanted it to be like perfect for you guys, and I wanted it to look really good, and I really was just like, you know what? I'm gonna open it up to them, and you know, they could, you know, if you want to judge me, judge me. Sorry, I know. If you're gonna tell me that your room or your apartment has never been a mess, I'm gonna tell you you're lying. I just want to be real with you guys and be raw and not really hold back because, you know, it's a mess. So feel free to comment as much as you want. If you want to leave me a nice little negative comment, go right ahead. I will appreciate any type of comment at this point, because yesterday I posted a video, a hummus recipe. You guys have been asking for cooking videos, and it is not doing so well. Yeah, but I don't even want to get into that, don't even worry. This is my closet though. It's not really finished yet at all. Meaning not everything has been, you know, placed, I guess. You know, I have like all my fitness workout stuff. Still have to hang up like all my pants and stuff like that. I have like a couple pieces that I just basically wear, and I don't really change that. This is my view here when you come in. So like I'll just show you from the front door. Walk in, and then I have my kitchen. I just ate and cooked. I just got a couch. Don't mind those. These are just came with the couch. I didn't want them, but the guy was like, take them, and I'm like, all right. Terrible though. Let's be real, these are fucking terrible. But they're pillows. I won't keep them, but for now, you know. I'm trying to honestly work a deal with like a furniture company at the moment, so it's another reason why I've been like kind of in a wait and see mode with Wayfair. I don't even know if I should have said that or not. Oops. I should know in the next couple weeks, so maybe you guys will see a new updated, well done, clean apartment tour. Because I know that's probably the better one to shoot. But don't really care, to be honest. Don't really wanted to just get up here and talk to you guys and say hi and let you guys know that everything is good. And this is where I'm at. I am located off of, well, maybe I shouldn't tell you where I'm located. I'll just say I'm off Wilshire Boulevard. I don't know if you guys know where that is, but yeah, I don't know why I'm trying to be like private like that. I guess for a second I was just like, well, no, you know, doesn't really matter. You wanna come say hi, you know, whatever, let's have fun, you know, go swimming, work out. get some coffee, get some tea, whatever.
Hey, I'm a nice guy.
One day I'd like to have all of this, all just books. My mom just sent me this one, it's pretty cool. Shit happens, so get over it. This one's really good too. This is actually a gift from one of my friends that I met out here. It's called The Gift of Anger. It's written by Gandhi's grandson, pretty cool. I started it like a couple months ago. Oh, there's my bookmark. But a couple of these I am picking out, and from time to time I'll sit here and just kind of look through stuff and get away a little bit. There's my guitar that I'm trying to learn on, which I suck, but we'll see sooner or later. But yeah, that's what's going on, guys. I hope you're all doing great. I'm a little bummed out over my last video, to be honest. Like I don't know, my last couple of videos just aren't really doing well, and let's talk about it, you know? Why hide? Why hide from the from the situation, you know? Like, I guess they're just not doing well. I don't know if it's because of the algorithm. I don't know if it's because of what's going on with YouTube. I don't know. Everybody keeps using the word algorithm, and I get it. I know what the algorithm is, but I just don't understand where the traction is not coming from, whether it's the content or not. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep pushing through, and you know, hopefully you guys will, for every couple bad ones, we'll have a really good one. I honestly just want to create content for you guys, and I feel like I'm so redundant when I keep saying this, but I don't really have that type of channel where like I know what you guys want to see all the time, and I'm not really into a consistent thing where we do that. So, you know, Q&As, cooking videos, obviously workout videos if you still want to see it. You know, how I transitioned into a vegan diet. I know a lot of you have been asking those questions and you want to hear some of that, so I'd love to film this type of stuff. But I'm like almost afraid to film things because I just feel like they're just not going to do well, because the last couple of videos I filmed really didn't. So, you know, I can't keep doing a life update every single time, but I do want to do a Q&A. I haven't done one of those in a long time, and I feel like you guys might have some questions for me that I would love to answer. You guys are awesome, regardless of how many views I get on a video, or you know, how many videos don't do well. I'm still gonna keep pushing videos out, because for every 4 crappy videos, 4 shitty videos, I'll get, you know, 1 good one that you guys will love, and that's good enough for me. So although it does get demotivating sometimes, because it makes me feel like, you know, what am I doing wrong, and I wish there was more of a you know, understanding. And I think it could be the consistency thing, which I am working on as always. I feel like for the last fucking 2 years I've been working on that, but you know, I don't want to keep saying that, because whatever, I just got to do it for you guys and make sure that I'm putting out videos constantly, and these are the types of videos I feel like they're going to help with that. So experience stuff, you know, bringing you guys along to different things and trying to make you guys a part of my life as much as possible. So if that's something that interests you guys and you guys want to see that, awesome. If you don't, awesome, but just let me know. And regardless, I appreciate all of you, good and bad. If you're, you know, trying to unsubscribe, then I appreciate the time that we had together, and I wish you the best. Hopefully you'll come back soon. And for those of you that are my faithful subscribers,
Hold up. Say what?
my faithful subscribers, I appreciate you for sticking with me throughout this crazy transition of life. And I'm really excited to share the future with you, because it is going to get crazy. I promise.